Performing long division. Long division is an important arithmetic skill that you will need when working with different types of fractions. What are the parts of long division? The first is the dividend. That's the number that is being divided. And the divisor is the number dividing by. For example, 36 divided by 5, 36 would be the dividend, 5 would be the divisor. The quotient is the result of the division or the answer that you get. And the remainder is the value that's left at the end of the division that you can no longer divide into. Here is how the parts should be set up when starting to solve your long division problem. The divisor, the dividend side by side, a line between the divisor and the dividend, and a line above the dividend. You will put the quotient on top of the line, and the remainder will be the bottom of the value after you finish the question. Now, let's look at an example. Here is example 1. Divide 456 by 5. Here is the solution. Step number 1. Determine the divisor and the dividend. The dividend is 456 and the divisor is 5. Now, set up the divisor and dividend in long division format. 456, the line between, the line on top. Now, divide the first value in the dividend by the divisor. Put the answer above the first digit in the quotient area. So in our example, the first digit in the dividend is 4. The first value in the divisor is 5. 4 divided by 5 can't go, so you're going to place a 0 in that place. Multiply the number you put in the quotient area by the divisor and put the result under the first digit in the dividend. This means that 0 times 5 is 0. You will put the 0 under the 4. Now, subtract the number under the dividend that you've just put there from the dividend and place under the value that is being subtracted. So 4 subtract 0 would leave you with 4. Now, bring down the next digit from the dividend, and that would be the digit 5. So now we have 45 underneath the dividend. Now, divide the new number 45 by the divisor and put the answer 9 beside the 0, as shown here in the diagram. Now, bring down the next digit from the dividend. That would be the number 6. Place it beside the 0, the value you achieved when you subtracted 45 from 45. Divide the new value by the divisor and put the result under the new number. So 6 divided by 5 is 1. Put the result 1 in the quotient to the right of the 9. Now, subtract the new value from the previous value and put your answer underneath. 6 subtract 5 is 1. Divide this new number 1 by the divisor. Oh, since you can't divide by 5, 1 would then become the remainder. Now, write the division statement to show our long division. 456 divided by 5 is equal to 91 with a remainder of 0. This could be written 456 divided by 5 equals 91 remainder 1. And you have successfully completed long division.